how can you use your iPhone camera effectively. Let me show you what you have available, what options you can utilize more. So let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one. So using the camera effectively, that is like a broad topic, but the most important thing is to utilize all of the features which are available to you. So if you go to the main camera app on the iPhone, you can switch to the portrait mode and also go to the cinematic for the camera where the background gets blurry, right? You can go to the slow motion, you can make sure you record the time lapses, right? So that is like the basic approach to get the most out of the camera app. But I would argue that this is still kind of like limited and that there is much more to be extracted from those camera lenses, like especially on the Pro iPhone models, which are packed with all of the hardware. I think that the built-in camera app is okay, but it's not getting the most out of the lenses. For that, I would recommend you to instead explore more options. Either get the official Apple's Final Cut camera app, which you can get on the App Store for free. As I said, it's from Apple. Or there is also the Blackmagic camera, which is a third-party camera, but it also has plenty of features which you might be interested in. But for example, inside of the Final Cut camera app, you can see that we have so many features which are available to us. For example, you have the white balance control, which we simply don't have, right? And if you want to use your camera effectively, you want to adjust it so the shot looks the best. Then we also have the manual exposure. We have the autofocus or manual focus, right? So if you want to specifically focus on some subjects, you can adjust it in here. I would also recommend you to tap on it like the settings and at the top and go to the tools. And I would turn on a focus peaking. Overexposure indicator is also very useful, but the focus peaking like selects with the green color the subject that it's like focused on, and that's very useful because you can see that I can like go to a camera mode like that, and using the focus peaking feature, I see exactly what is being focused on, right? So that is actually very useful. Using this application, I get much more done, and I can use my camera effectively, so the hardware is better. Hardware is great on the iPhone, but the camera app, the built-in one, is not getting the most out of the phone. So let me know what you think below. It was just a quick guide, something, a little bit of an inspiration for you. So let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.